at this. Wow. Good day, everyone. We are here at NEB'S Fun World, which is a family entertainment center in Oshawa, Ontario, not too far from Toronto. And I've never been here before.
And it will put you in debt, guys. I'm sorry, but Parker's a great guy, but if you guys come, the more shots he gets, it will put you in debt, but amen.
But yeah, anyways, they have an arcade, a bowling alley, go-karts, and even a little mini amusement park here with a roller coaster credit, which we are going to get today. So yeah, there's so much to explore. I'm so excited. So without any further ado, let the NEB'S adventures begin. Okay, but then beyond the arcade is what we really came here for. There is a mini amusement park in here. Got a little go-kart going. Oh, there's more coming around the corner. Wow, they are just flying. And this is what we really came here for, Sparetime Express. So I kind of like how they do things here at NEB'S Fun World. When you get here, you can get a card that is loaded with credits, and these credits can be used for the rides or for the arcade, so you really have full freedom to use your credits in any way you want. Of course, we're mostly looking to do the rides, but we'll probably get to do a few games too. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here, and the thing that we have most been looking forward to, is Sparetime Express. And we're just waiting by the entrance here. And the staff here kind of rotate between the rides and the attractions, so we kind of just gotta wait at the entrance, and when someone is free, they'll come around and start up the ride for us. Here we go. Alright, we just did Sparetime Express. So fun, a little janky, definitely within the PMF realm, but still very fun. And I mean, I don't get a lot of new credits here in Ontario, so I'm glad that I finally got this one. Anyways, as you can probably see behind me, we are down by the go-karts, so we're about to race, and I think I'm gonna win. That's my opinion. What do you guys think?
Nah.
Nah? Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Catch us driving all the way to Six Flags Great Adventure in this. Vroom vroom! Oh, and look at this, they have a little mini Himalaya. That's cute. They also have a little drop tower here called the Skylight Scream. Not overly tall, but it looks like it would be fun. Oh yeah, here we go! I just love how you can do games and then switch over to rides and go back to games. Just so cool. This place is so much fun. So Amanda is trying to win us big on the coin push here. Oh, you got something. 20 tokens. Not bad at all.
Oh, I almost got Black Panther parts.
Oh, so close. Oh my goodness.
Hungry hippo.
Those hungry hippos, but life size. And if you want to ride a King Kong of Skull Island ride, you don't have to go all the way to Islands of Adventure. They have one right here at NEB'S Fun World. I mean, sure, there's no big King Kong animatronic at this one, but there's screens, so close enough, right?
Okay, everyone, here's Parker and Quinn, and they're gonna be picking out a ride.
We're doing the Dragon Mine Ride.
Just hold onto the side handle.
Okay, you're gonna hold on. Oh, try attack. Some people will make one not started.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, okay, stay here. Go. Oh, they're bats. Oh, they're not bats. I don't know what they are. Are they bats or dragons? I can't tell. Oh, big jump. Whoa. Backwards. Whoa. Dragon. Still coming for us. Oh, okay, we're forwards again. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, going up the tail lights, okay.
Uh-oh.
Lots of really cool games and, you know, little arcade rides in here. Love it. Oh, there's Doodle Jump. That takes me back. Oh, is he gonna get it? No. So close. See, my favorite thing to do at any arcade is ice ball or skee ball. Let's see if I'm any good. I mean, that was kind of sad, but could be worse. Okay.
Use your muscles.
Okay.
Let's see the muscles. Yeah. Come on.
I can do that. I'm warming
Yes,
up.
you're warming up.
Still warming up.
Yeah.
You're getting there. Don't worry.
Oh,
That was better.
that's better. Now do it a little bit later. Oh, look, it's an extra long.
Okay, not like that snow, but could be worse.
Let's just say I could kick his butt in that.
All right, Quentin's trying out the Willy Wonka coin push.
Tickets won.
Not bad at all. Real close on a few here. Oh, you got a card shot. I think that one's gonna fall soon. Okay, another arcade game I love is Mario Kart. I love how you can like drive it and steer it and everything. Okay, let's see what card I get. Okay, not bad. Are you guys ready to race?
Yes.
All right. Oh, here we go. There I am, Donkey Kong.
5 minutes later.
You are looking at a winner right here. Good game, guys. Good game. Oh my goodness, look at this huge little like treehouse playground thing. Oh, that is adorable. I love how it's like, yeah, like a treehouse, and they have a little bear. Look at the bear. Okay, this is awesome. I have not been in a playground in so many years. This is so fun. All right. Woo! Wow! Woo! All right, we made it to the top to the kids' clubhouse. We get a pretty decent view at all the action going on there. And we have a slide to go down. Woo! Let's do it. Whee! Oh, this is fast.
Okay, I'm going down.
All right, Amanda, see ya.
Woo!
Have fun. And just like that, she was gone. Domino! Woo! Okay, this one is the big tall round one. You can even get a view outside, that's cool. Whee! Hi. All right, and that is going to do it for our visit to NEB'S Fun World. We didn't spend a terribly long amount of time here, just like maybe an hour, if that, but holy moly was that fun. I mean, it's always great to get a new coaster credit. We got to do a couple rides, go-karts games. I got to be a kid again on the slides. Oh, that was so wild. Yeah, overall, it was a great visit, and if you keep your card, you can come back. I didn't use all of my credits today, so I guess I'm coming back again at some point, and you know, all your tickets can be stored and tracked on here to be redeemed at a later date for prizes. Yes, NEB'S Fun World was so much fun. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend visiting this place. I mean, yes, it's a great cred stop, but even then, even beyond the coaster, there's just so much to do, and there's really something for the whole family. So yeah, NEB'S Fun World, highly recommend. Now, this video is actually the start of a new mini-series from my July coaster trips. Quenten, Amanda, and I, as well as our friend Tyler Burke, had the pleasure of visiting a few parks at the beginning of the summer, including Hershey Park, Six Flags Great Adventure, Dorney Park, and Six Flags Darien Lake. So yeah, my next two videos will mostly be focusing on that. Of course, we are in the midst of the holiday season, so if I end up visiting some cool holiday events, those vlogs will of course get priority on the channel. Now, I know you don't want to miss any of those future videos, so if you're not already, please consider subscribing. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram at AWParker and on TikTok at Adventures with Parker. Big shout out to my patrons for all of the extra support you guys give the channel. As always, I appreciate you all so much. Once again, thank you for joining me, and until next time, the adventures are calling. See ya! So cute!